Hey, I'm Carson from Openhaus Pro, and I'm going to explain to you how you can import your existing Matterport models into Openhaus Pro. Before you've came across Openhaus Pro, you probably have used Matterport for a while, and you have existing Matterport models from clients that you've worked with in the past. These models are full of tags and other customizations that you don't want to have to redo all of that hard work. Well, with Openhaus Pro, we've now made it easy to import your existing Matterport models and your tags, and quickly within a few clicks add a custom theme and really upgrade the look and feel of your Matterport tours for your clients. I'm actually on the Openhaus Pro portal right now, and I'll walk you through and explain how to do that. And I've previously connected this client account on the Openhaus portal with a Matterport account, and I'll show you why that's important. I come to the spaces page on the portal and I'll click add space. Next, you can see it actually is showing me all the spaces that are within my Matterport account right now. So I'm just gonna search on here, demo, and I'll choose this demo house right here. And you can see this is a existing Matterport model that has tags in it, etc. And I'm gonna be adding this to my Openhaus Pro account. So I'll just select a category here. I can keep those the same. I'll click choose thumbnail and I'll set my start location and we'll click next. Next, you'll see I'm taken back to that spaces page and I'm given a checklist of what to do next. The next step we'll take is we'll actually choose and customize our theme. So I'll click here and you can see it gives me a few suggested themes that I can choose from. I'm just gonna choose, I'll just say this contemporary theme, and this looks good. We'll just click use this theme. You can see there's actually some variations I could choose from right here, but I'll just choose this variation. I'll click use this theme and you can see, okay, you want to use this theme on this space, click confirm. I'm taken to, as you can see in the top right, the customized theme page up here. Now, I'm not going to do any of this right now, but what you can do on this customized theme page is important. You can go through all of the different settings for this theme and change the look and feel of the theme. And there's a lot you can do. You can turn off and on features. You can change your logo. So up here we just have a placeholder logo up here. You can change that logo there, change the fonts, change the colors of every user interface element. You can really do a lot here. But for the sake of this video, we'll just leave the theme as it is stock. I'll click back and I'm taken to the manage space page for this space. The next step I'm gonna do is actually going to add some rooms to this space. Just for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna add one room. So I'll click add room and we'll just call it the entry, and I'll click choose thumbnail and I'll set my start location for that room and I'll save and finish the space. You can see that room was added and I'm taken back to this manage space page. Okay, now this space is added. I could send this to a client. This could be ready to go if I wanted it to. And I'll just click on the space so you can actually see what it looks like. So I didn't do anything. I just imported this existing Matterport model into Openhaus Pro and chose a theme. And you can already see the user interface looks different. I have this logo up here. I have this menu on the left I can customize. And I have these custom tags. And if I click on one of these custom tags, you can see that the Matterport Matter tag data is actually showing. I didn't add this tag via Openhaus. This is just from the existing Matter tag I added via Matterport when I originally created this model. And you can see it actually uses all the attachments. So all of these images are attachments from that Matter tag. And I have my label, my description, and including a little link here. At this point, if all I wanted to do was kind of add this, pretty user interface and send it to my client, that's great. I actually could be done right here, or maybe I'd add some more rooms and customize the theme a little. But what if I actually want to change the text of these or change the media in these Matter tag pop-ups? What you'll do is you can go in and import your tags via Openhaus Pro, and that allows you to change the media inside of them. So I'm going to click X out of here. We'll just go back to this space, and what you do this on a room by room basis. So that's why I needed to add a room. So I'll scroll down and you can see I have my entry room right here. I'm gonna click actions and I'll click import tags right here. So now this is showing me all of the tags that exist inside of this Matterport model that I have not imported yet. I'm going to import this one that we were just looking at, this Safavia rug, and all I do is I just click import. Now that has been added to Openhaus Pro, and I can now edit that tag from within Openhaus. The reason why we do it this way is because you might have a space that you have a lot of tags on and you don't want to have to import and edit and worry about managing existing Matterport tags. We just do it kind of on a tag by tag basis because it gives you more flexibility and it makes it so you don't have to really redo any of the work that you've done. So only import the tags that you want to edit within Openhaus Pro. If you don't want to edit any of them, you can actually just leave all of your Matter tags be and they'll just exist as they were originally created when you added your Matterport model. But what I'm going to do now is I'll just click exit and I'll scroll down and you can actually see that that tag has now been added right here. So next what I'll do is I'll click edit and I can now edit this tag right here. So I'm gonna, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna rename this to be awesome. I'll add awesome to the beginning of this. Then what I'm gonna do is I actually need to choose a tag icon. So I'll just choose that icon right there. And that's it. You can see it says edited right here. I'll just click save edits and it says saved. So if I go and look at this tag now inside of the space, it should have that updated title with the word awesome at the beginning. Let's go look. I'll just refresh this page. We'll come back. I'll click on my tag right here and it worked. You can see I have the word awesome and now it actually changed the link to a button instead, which is pretty cool. You can control that on there as well. So if you want to actually update and edit your Matter tag titles, descriptions, media, etc., you actually can just click import and we'll let you edit all of that data for each of your tags. One thing that I'll also note right here too, you can see that I imported the tag, but I didn't change any of the media, okay? This is just using the existing Matter tag media that you had originally when you added the tag via Matterport. It will, let me just say this clearly, these Matter tag pop-ups will use the existing Matter tag media unless you import the tag and you add new media. So what that means, I can import my tags and then I can change the title or I can change the description or anything else about the tag other than media, and it will continue using the Matter tag media that I uploaded via Matterport. This is important because if you want to import your tags and just change a title or a description, but don't want to worry about finding the media again and re-uploading the media, you don't have to. You can actually just import your tags, don't touch the media, just change the title and the description. You can even stylize it, do whatever you want, but it will just continue to use the media that was from when you originally added that Matter tag. I hope that makes sense. Anyways, kind of a lot of moving parts, but the goal here is that importing your existing Matterport models that you've created previously for your clients is really, really easy. Within a few simple clicks, you can add a new space to Openhaus Pro, choose your Matterport model, customize a theme for it, and send it to your client. And the existing Matter tags, all of their media, all of the data will look really, really nice and really on brand and on point for your clients. So that's how you import existing Matterport models into Openhaus Pro.